Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a video blogger studio that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's start with a 2x2 round plate for a stool. Let's flip it over and let's set down 4 studs in the corners. These are going to serve as little legs for the stool. Sometimes these can be a bit of a challenge to get in there. I'll flip that back over. In the back, let's set down a 1x2 plate. This is going to help anchor our minifigures down to the stool. And in the front, a set of 1x1 quarter circle flat tiles. Finish up the front of the stool. For the camera tripod, take one of these stick with 4 sticks. I am not sure what these are called. We'll set it down like that. Now take a hollow stud. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate with stick on top of the stud, and one of these round 1x1 plates with stick, place it on top. That's going to be used to attach our camera to the tripod. And on this stick right here, I'm going to connect a stick with holder like so. Then let's set down a camera on top of the plate. The little spot right here, you can set that in. Sometimes it's a bit of a challenge to see where that goes. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to use a 1x1 round brick and transparent clear round 1x1 flat tile for a lens. And I'm going to set this right on our little stand. For our camera lights, let's take a 2x2 glider plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 plate on one end and a 1x2 plate with stick on the other end. Now, I want to set down a set of 1x2 triple 45-degree slope. Place 2 of those. And for a stand, let's take another one of these weird pieces. I'm going to set a piece with holder. Set that right there. And I'm just going to put my light right on top. This makes a nice studio light. So you need to make 2 of those. Now for the green screen, take a 6x6 plate. On the left hand side, I'm going to set a 2x2 flat tile, have it hanging over by a set of studs, and then I'm going to proceed on covering this whole plate with tiles. This makes a nice green screen, especially with the bright green flat tiles, and we're going to cover the whole plate up. So we'll fill all that in there, and sorry, no speed build today. I'm not in the mood. And we're going to flip this over, and we're going to take 4 1x2 plates with holders. I'm going to place 2 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. These are going to be used to attach our stand and to secure everything. 4 2x2 round glider plates. That'll lock in those plates with holders really nice. Yeah, this one's trying to get away. Sometimes these things are hard to place down, especially when you get the last one. There's the green screen. For the stand, take a 2x2 modified plate with a long stick. I'm going to place one of these on the left-hand side. I'll take another one, set this one here in the holders. May have to force that in a bit, and that completes the green screen. Now we can sit Jay the Surfer right on the stool, put him right in front of the green screen, and then we can set up all our gear. So here we have our lighting. Make sure we get his good side, and the video camera.